How's it going, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? So look at this sweet little bag. This is way too many months in forgetting and procrastination and whatever. So I won this bag actually. I couldn't even tell you. I'll say a couple months, probably like 6 or 7 months ago now, from Moto Hero, and I'll put their Instagram and the actual website in the description below. You should go check them out. They run some pretty cool giveaways, like obviously stuff like this and a whole bunch of other stuff. So you should go check out their Instagram. Definitely go check out their website, because I've got a jacket coming from now too, because the guys over there are super awesome and have some pretty good deals, pretty good prices, and I need a new summer jacket, so that's where we're going. But back to this. This is the, I don't know the actual name of it, but it's now Alpinestars backpack. I'll put the name of it here once I can actually figure it out. And this has quickly become my everyday, day-to-day, whatever you want to call it. Like, I went to Southwick, and I had my camera in here and my couple lenses and water bottle, whatever. This has become my go-to carry around whatever backpack. One, super padded all the way down here, 2, 4, 6, 8. It's super comfortable. Obviously the shoulder straps have some padding too, not super a lot there, but like the back is super comfortable. You've got your waist clip if you want. Obviously it's adjustable, branded everywhere. Does come with this high vis Alpinestars, again branded. I'm assuming this would be like your rain cover. That's cool. That comes in a little, it's gonna be hard to show, I think, but down here, this right here, boop, that thing right there is the holder for it. You've obviously got plenty of come back here. Obviously you've got a mesh pocket, something for, I don't know, you got a bigger pocket right here, that's just the small side. Then behind that you've got your bigger pocket, which has lens cover. Obviously one pocket, yours like what you would call your laptop bag or laptop pocket, because it's got some padding in there too. On your outside you've got this little one right here, which this is super hard to do. It's not very big, like literally about a couple fingers width. I don't know what you would put in there really. And you've got one on the exact same side there. Also, because you have all your zippers on the outside, you have this neat little zipper right down here, which you're like, okay, what would you put down there? Well, what you would put down there is like a security cover. I don't know what you want to call it. It's just like a thin mesh cover, but has clips on it, so you go right over and you can cover your whole outside of your bag, so you don't have to worry about people behind you opening zippers and taking stuff, whatever. And this thing, I just like the color of this. I'm surprised it's the neon yellow that it is, but it's a super cool bag. If I could find like a link to it, especially if I can find a link to it on Moto Hero. I don't know if they sell these or not, or if it was just something they got as like a giveaway, but either way I'm going to find a link to it and the name for it. Again, I'll put the price and all that kind of stuff in this video here. But I just want to say a big thank you to Moto Hero for, one, running cool giveaways, and two, cool stuff with the bag. So yeah, go check them out. Again, description will have their links and my social links, so go check that out. Leave a comment down below as you're scrolling down, hit the subscribe button, hit the little like button, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.